Hey everybody, day
It's us
number
again.
5.
Hey, hump day.
Hump day, yep. Today we hit the halfway mark for the show. We are in QUARTZSITE, Arizona at the big RV show, booth 319.
Still cold today.
Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. Like we said in the opening, we are in QUARTZSITE still at the big white tent or the super RV show, whatever you want to call it. They have more here than just RV things, but we are manning the booth here for RV Life. And we do a lot of training videos for RV Life and question and answers each month now. We're going to do question and answers and tips and things. So, troubleshooting. So we're hoping that you guys are going to participate and give us a lot of questions and things that we can answer on our videos, but it should be a lot of fun. But we are looking around today to see what we can use within our RV. There's so much here that there's quite a bit to it. So anyway, we're going to check that all out today. So let's get going on it.
Hi, my name is Sean McMahon. I developed a product called the Last Glue. We've been in business for 32 years. It's very different technology. It works on the absence of air. All other glues out on the market right now work in conjunction with moisture or air. This here works on lack of air. The product that you're seeing in front of you today has been open for a week. It can't dry out. We guarantee our product for 2 years. The only thing we do ask is that you keep it in the fridge. You'll get about 5 to 7 years out of a tube of glue. So being anaerobic, your biggest benefit other than not drying out will be your working time. That little drop there, you can glue that now or tomorrow morning. There's no difference. Any other glue out on the market, you've got about 2 to 3 seconds to glue it. This here, whenever you like. Now, 1 second, and all you do is push it together and you deprive it of air. Now, if anyone's ever glued their fingers together before, all you do with this product is just roll it off. That's the speed of it. But wood, leather, slate, copper, glass, and it doesn't matter how hard you try. You can twist it, bend it, pull it. It's molecular. It's called nanotechnology. The molecule is so small that it penetrates the other side. Every other glue out on the market is artificial. If you were to pull it or twist it, it'd break. But it doesn't matter. What I cannot glue is cotton, soap, wool, or linen. This is polyvinyl chloride and it's coated in urethane. No matter what you glue, you only glue one side. You never ever glue both. And again, I'll make sure to tell you, you can glue this whenever you want. It's actually a luxury. But again, when you get this on your skin, the only thing I ask is you roll it. You don't pull it. And the bond is instant. We've got 10 mLs, we've got a 20 ml, and we've got our starter kit. In our starter kit, you'll get the solvent, which will release it. Because once you touch it, the bond is instant. The only thing this cannot get back off is wood or leather. The green one, we were just on 60 Minutes Fox 13. They fixed 3 leaks in copper, 3 in ABS, 3 in PVC, as well as a hydraulic hose. So if you had a leak in a compressor, a pressure washer, a hydraulic hose, anything where there's a void or a gap, a leak in a copper pipe, the glue being anaerobic can never dry. This is not an activator, it's not an accelerator, it's a catalyst. In 1 second, it's drillable, it's tappable, it's sandable, it's paintable. It is good up to 850 degrees, minus 63, 5,000 pounds per square inch. It's what I call the MacGyver. It is nothing like baking soda. I know a lot of you out there use CA with baking soda. This is structural. This is good up to 850 degrees, minus 63, 5,000 PSI. It's drillable and it's tappable. It's sandable and it's paintable in 1 second. You can actually fabricate with it as well. If you can see that, there's a hole straight through it. You can put this in the microwave, the dishwasher, the oven.
That's it's pretty nice. I own this. And I found that, I've had it now for 2 years.
Yep.
And we keep it in the fridge all the time, and then that way we don't have to worry about it, and it's there. My wife always says, hey, can you fix this? And then I pull it out, and I use the sand, what is that stuff? The filler stuff a lot.
Yep, yeah.
So interesting. I didn't realize that it worked for that much temperature either.
Oh yeah. Like if you Google Farm Show magazine, they fixed the hairline crack in a block of a 61 John Deere tractor. My neighbor last year, they're from Wisconsin. They've got a C-Class. On the way home, they had a little hairline crack in their overflow in the radiator. Used the cleaner, glue, filler, and he's driving that C-Class here this year. And that's been, what, over a year? just a little over a year.
Cool. All right. Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
This is the Aqua Blade. The first thing you're going to do, start with plain old water. That's quartzsite hose water, not a problem. If you have a lot of hard water stains, simply put a little white vinegar in there. That's your no drip microfiber head. When you get that wet, I want you to use Dawn. Put that right on your cloth. You don't need to scrub. Just lay that on. If it's dry, tap that in and just rock and roll. These are the Aqua Blades. You get 2 sizes. I make a mess, so I'll just rinse that off. So choose what size you need. That part of the blade's going to do all the work. That edge on top is going to act like a razor blade. You got one job. Keep it on the window and pet the window. Come, try. So I can set that any place I want. That blade does all the work. I can go up. I can go down that window, up that window, side to side. I can wash the inside, outside van. Come try. Doing the inside, this is silicone. So this is going to wrap around any shape. So as the shape of your window changes, so does the blade. So you set that flat, go whichever direction you want. Doing this for the inside of the windshield, that's going to wrap around every corner. So that'll go down deep in that window, match that corner, so I can go up, up, go along the top of the window, behind the rear view mirror, along that weird corner, behind the steering wheel, do it from the driver's side, and all that glare on the window is gone. Now you ask, what about all the water? First of all, I make a mess, but these are your water catchers. So if I'm doing my big overhead windows, I can wash the window. I'm going to set that flat, bend the pole like a little mouse with slippers on. I bring that down the window, overlap a little bit. No streaks, no glare. I can do that all day long. Let the blade do the work. And when I get to the bottom, the water collects here. So I can do inside, outside showers, solar panels, tubs, refrigerator, microwave. That easy. Wash, rinse, dry. They're the best. We've had these 38 years. We're the real ones, made in Italy. If you go on Amazon, Amazon is going to give you the big head with the water catcher. You're going to get the little head with the water catcher. You're going to get the amazing microfiber head. Wash it, just no bleach or fabric softeners. I'm going to throw in an extra towel. You get your short handle and you get your 6-foot pole. Amazon will charge $88.99. You're getting them from us. 1 set for $60, 2 sets for $100. And they have 5-year warranty. They will last 20 years.
How you doing? My name is Lamont. We're with Emazing TV out here at the QUARTZSITE RV show. What we're doing, we have an amazing TV. It's free cable, all for the cost of the box. All you do is buy the box, you program it, you put all the information on there that you want, and then you have Wi-Fi TV. And that's what this is, Wi-Fi TV. You get all the channels, you get all of the pay-per-views, you get all of the sports. It's up to you what you would like to view.
What's the price of it?
It's a one-time fee of $400.
Okay.
And that $400 guarantees that you're in doing everything that you would like to do as far as your viewing experiences. It's up to you what you would like to see on the box TV.
Okay.
It's a great opportunity for you to cut the cord.
And how long does that box last?
Well, we're giving it anywhere from a 4 to 5 shelf life, because we've bought one ourselves, and that's how we got into it. And ours has been going for 4 years. It's a great opportunity for everybody that's on the go, because as you can see, You can take this anywhere you go. It works in your home, your RV, and your boat.
Okay.
It's a great opportunity. It's a great product. Come on out and see us while we're at Quartzsite.
Another successful day for day number 5. So, yep, hump day. And hopefully you enjoyed the vendors that we talked to today. I mean, I think some of these are pretty interesting for sure. And some of the options available to you are pretty good. So they have a lot of cool things here. So hopefully that's of value to you, and you'll keep following us. But we'll do one a day. Every day we'll do a video. So we'll, highlight some more vendors for tomorrow. But today, these were the vendors that we had. So thanks for watching those. We appreciate the support. Again, we are at the Big White Tent Show in Quartzsite, and Ninette is so excited at the end of each day. a lot of people we've talked to, so it's been a lot of fun and everything. But we're in booth 319.
A lot of our friends came and visited us today.
Yeah, so that was pretty fun.
Nice.
But yeah, booth 319 here at the RV show. So thanks a lot, and we will just plan on seeing you down the road or on our next video. So take care.
Bye.